Ciao Nuru, ciao Koi, ciao Koi, Fratu si.
On behalf of the Government of Assam, representing India, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to UNESCO for inscribing the Moidam's mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2024. The recognition not only honors the rich cultural heritage of Assam, India, but also highlights the historical importance of the Ahom dynasty in the large tapestry of Indian history. মই মাননীয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াক সমগ্ৰ অসমবাসীৰ হৈ আন্তৰিকতাৰে কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাইছো। তেখেতৰ অফুৰন্ত মৰম স্নেহৰ বাবেই এয়া সম্ভৱ হৈ উঠিল। আৰু লগতে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াই 2021 চনৰ পৰা 2024 চনৰ ভিতৰত এই 3 বছৰীয়া খুব কম সময়ত তেখেতে যি নেৰানেপেৰা প্ৰয়াস আৰু প্ৰচেষ্টা চলালে এই ঐতিহ্য ক্ষেত্ৰক বিশ্ব ঐতিহ্য ক্ষেত্ৰ হিচাপে স্বীকৃতি প্ৰদান কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত নিঃসন্দেহে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ এই উদ্যোগ অসমবাসীয়ে চিৰদিন চিৰকাললৈ মনত ৰাখিব। The Government of Assam, India remains deeply committed to preserving and promoting our cultural heritage, and we look forward to collaborating with UNESCO on initiatives that will foster education, conservation, and cultural exchange.
Excellency, we are very grateful you came from Assam to collect this certificate for the inscription of Moidams, the mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty of Assam, from the ADG culture of UNESCO. I thank the officials of the Archaeological Survey of India, the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and the state government of Assam for having taken care of this property. Now this property belongs to the world because it's on the World Heritage List, which means an added responsibility for its preservation and conservation. It's a moment of great pride for the people of Assam and for the people of Northeast India, because this is the very first cultural property of the Northeast to be inscribed on the World Heritage Site. Initially, on the World Heritage List, there were the natural properties of Kaziranga and Manas. But this is the very first cultural property. It's a matter of great pride and honor that the state government of Assam, under the chief ministership of Himanta Biswa Sharma, has done such a great work. And we are very grateful for the guidance given by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the officials of the ESI and the Ministry of Culture and the state government of Assam. Thank you so much.
Thanks to the UNESCO to announce as a World Heritage Cultural Center of Soraido Moidam, and I again thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi also for his prompt initiative. This has been announced.